Elena stood in the center of her living room, her eyes tracing the floral patterns of the wallpaper she had chosen 5 years ago. What once seemed charming now felt like a heavy, outdated shroud over her home. She craved a space that breathed, a minimalist sanctuary that reflected the clarity she felt in her own life. But the walls remained stubbornly stuck in the past, reminding her of a style she had long outgrown. The challenge was the clock. Her son, Milo, would be home from school by late afternoon, and she couldn't bear the thought of him coming back to a construction zone of dust and fumes. She needed a miracle that could happen in a single day. Elena shared her dilemma with Silas, a longtime friend of her husband and a seasoned veteran of home transformations. "Wallpaper takes too long to dry, Elena," Silas said, tapping his chin. "But there is another way."